A local restaurant owner, frustrated with staffing shortages, has hired a pair of new employees. These two don't get paid and they never have to take a break, unless they break down. Sam Spangler reports in the story new at 6.
Welcome to the future. This is a scene straight out of the movie WALL-E, a robot server, or really a server's assistant. Now, across the country, we've seen staffing shortages, especially in the restaurant industry. These are designed to help servers and their grueling workload.
Staffing's such a problem now. We're shy on everything, from managers down to servers and kitchen help, cooks. So this really helps our servers out.
Servers we spoke with say it takes some time to get used to, but does help.
Okay, I am waiting to complete my task.
They're still working on nicknames, but the R2 Eat 2 follows sensors on the ceiling to map their path, which is coordinated by the staff. It'll even pick up dishes from a table without the server.
Please take the dishes on the first tray. After you take the dishes, please click on the screen to confirm.
They're able to really speed service. Instead of carrying things clean out, dirty back, the robot does all the work for them.
Customers seem to think they're fun.
Gee, just being introduced to it, God, what else are we going to be faced with? That's awesome. You know, technology, gee.
The Hawaii Department of Labor reports that there are about 60,000 food service workers in the islands this year. And the Hawaii Restaurant Association says it's going through an unprecedented labor shortage. Some customers we spoke with said they're concerned about robots taking people's jobs. But Nakashima says that isn't happening.
We're not taking any jobs away. We're actually being able to service more people and basically do more covers in a day because of those two robots.
Nakashima says these are the first of their kind in the islands, along with two at his Giu Kapu in Kapolei. Despite the $16,000 price tag, he expects them to come to a restaurant near you soon.
It's going to take off. There's no question.
Ding dong, the robot is coming.
Sam Spangler, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.